Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to a new phase of this course, which is an introduction to calculus. In our second lecture we are already discussing about query languages. There are two types of query languages. One is procedural and other one is non-procedural query language. We have already learned much more about procedural language, and now we are going toward non-procedural language. Do you remember the definition of non-procedural language? We have two types of query language. Then procedural language is relational algebra and non-procedural language is relational calculus. For revision, here is the definition: retrieve data from a database without any specific procedure. So without any procedure we can retrieve data from database. So this is called non-procedural language. Non-procedural language is the relational calculus. What is relational calculus? Relational calculus in non-procedural query language and has no description about how the query will work or the data will be fetched. In the relational calculus, there is no description of how to evaluate a query. A relational calculus query specifies what is to be retrieved rather than how to be retrieved. It only focuses on what to do and not on how to do it. I repeat again two sentences. Remember, these two sentences are very important, and this is all about relational calculus. A relational calculus query specifies what is to be retrieved rather than how to retrieve it. It only focuses on what to do and not how to do it. Here are the types of relational calculus. There are two types of relational calculus. One is tuple relational calculus. Tuple means raw in any DBMS. Tuple relational, TRC, and domain relational calculus, which is about columns, DRC. So thank you for watching this video.